This video is on Nyquist plot problem previously asked in engineering service examination. So first problem, uh, engineering service examination 2004 question. The Nyquist plot for the closed loop control system with the loop transfer function g of s h of s is equal to 100 divided by s into s plus 10 is plotted. Then the critical point minus 1 comma j0 is option A never enclosed, option B enclosed under certain conditions, option C just touched, option D enclosed. So we need to find the answer corresponding to this. For that, the given problem is type 1 and order 2. Suppose type 1 means already we know the polar plot is start from here, that corresponding to angle minus 90, and the total order is 2, the maximum angle is 180. So we start from here and end at minus 180 degree. So now this minus 1 comma j0 is never enclosed. So there is no contact between these two. So the answer is never enclosed. Option A is the correct answer. Second problem, the Nyquist plot of a control system is shown below. For the system g of s h of s is equal to, so we need to find Nyquist plot transfer function corresponding to this Nyquist plot. So here when omega is equal to 0, the angle is minus 180. It indicates type 2 system. Omega is equal to 180, so type 2 system. Type 2 means option A and option C is not answer. So now we need to check corresponding to B and D. So here total shift is, so here 180 and again 270 and 360. So after that 290 degree shift is there. So again two more poles in the given transfer function. So already type 2 and two more poles means the answer corresponding to this is D, option D. Because due to s squared we get minus 180, because this pole we get 270, because of addition of one more pole we get 370. So answer for this corresponding problem is option D. So problem 3, Nyquist plot of a servo system is shown in figure. The root loci for the system would be, so here the Nyquist plot is given, so we need to identify the root locus plot. So here one pole at the origin, because the curve is polar plot is start at an angle theta is minus 90 degree. So one pole at origin and goes up to minus 180. So maximum order is 2. So for that order 2 system is one pole at origin. So here 3 pole, this is not the answer. Corresponding to this 2 pole at the origin, this is also not answer. So here one pole at origin, so another one pole also there. So from that this is the correct answer corresponding to given Nyquist plot. Okay. This question previously asked engineering service 2001 question. And the next problem number 3, if the Nyquist plot cut the negative real axis at a distance of 0.4, then the gain margin of the system is option A 0.4, option B minus 0.4, option C 4, option D 2.4. Previously asked ISC 2001 question. Gain margin is simply reciprocal of magnitude of the real axis, so 1 divided by 0.4, so 2.5. so option D is correct answer. Then problem 5, the transfer function of a certain system is given by g of s is equal to s divided by 1 plus s. So the Nyquist plot of the system is, so again we need to go with polar plot concept. First we need to find magnitude and phase angle. So corresponding to omega is equal to 0 and infinity, we need to find m and phi. So here when omega is equal to 0, magnitude is 0 and phase angle is 90. Magnitude is 0 and phase angle is 90. So here magnitude is some other value. This is not possible. So here this value is magnitude is infinity. This is also not possible. Here either option D or option B are applicable. Here when omega is equal to 0, magnitude is 0. When omega is equal to infinity, magnitude is magnitude is 1. For this particular case, when omega is equal to infinity, magnitude is 1, angle is minus 90, but here the angle is 0, so D is also not the answer. So finally answer for this particular case is option B. This question is previous engineering service 2001 question. And then move to the next problem. The Nyquist plot of the system is sketched below. The corresponding to this plot, what is the open loop transfer function? So from the plot itself, so here 0, minus 90 and minus 180. So from this we identify that type 2 system. So type 2 system means S squared is there. So S squared is there. So from that option A and B is not the answer. So we need to check with C and D. So after 180, 270 and 360 and again one more shift is there. So for that 3 pole. After S squared we need to add 3 pole to get plot like this. So finally answer for this particular question is option D, S squared and additional 3 pole corresponding to this problem. Correct option is answer D. Problem number 7. A unity feedback system has open loop transfer function as g of s equal to k divided by s into 1 plus 0.2 s into 1 plus 0.05 s. The phase crossover frequency of the Nyquist plot is given by option A 5 radian per second, B 10 radian per second, C 50 radian per second, D 10 radian per second. So g of s is equal to, we can rearrange this equation like this, and first step is replace s by j omega and separate real and imaginary part. So at phase crossover frequency, imaginary part of, at real axis imaginary part of g of j omega is 0. So imaginary part is this portion is equal to 0. So while solving this we get omega pc is equal to 10 radian per second. Correct option is option B. So last problem, and adding pole at the origin of S plane, the Nyquist plot of the system will rotate by 90 degree in anticlockwise, 90 degree in clockwise, 180 degree in anticlockwise, 180 degree in clockwise. So already we studied in previous polar plot lecture videos. So due to addition of poles, the polar plot shift in clockwise by 90 degree. For example, we are consider 1 by s, one transfer function. For that we can get plot like this. So add one more pole at the origin, we get 1 by s squared. So for that this shift from minus 90 to minus 180. So totally 90 degrees shift in clockwise direction. So the correct option is option B. Thank you.